Hello everybody, Georgie here, hope you're all doing well. So we have got a really fun preschool ballet class for you to do with your child today. So the main thing is to make sure that they are doing the correct positions, that you're doing the exercises with them so they can see visually as well as obviously watching me, and of course you're having fun. So go and make sure that you've got a nice clear space, make sure that the floor that you're going to be dancing on is safe to dance on. And also as well, make sure you've got some appropriate shoes on. I've got my ballet shoes on. Now I know some mums and dads may not have some ballet shoes, but if you make sure that you've got some socks that you can't easily slip on, especially as we're going to do some travelling stuff, and just make sure that you can really move your feet in any shoes, then that's absolutely fine. So I'm going to go and put some music on and we're going to get started. Alright everybody, so we're going to start off with some good toes and some naughty toes. So when we do good toes, I want you to point your toes for me and point them out in front of you, okay? Make sure our toes are nice and long. Very good. And then when we do our naughty toes, our toes are going to go up towards the ceiling and going to point towards the ceiling. Good stuff. So let's do good toes. Very nice. And then up to some naughty toes. Good. And then down to our good toes. And then let's do naughty toes and then wiggle our feet. Very good. Okay, so we're going to make sure that we are standing in first position. All you can do is, if you need to help them, is just to turn their feet so that their heels are touching and their feet are in a nice little butterfly V position like this. They're wearing a lovely skirt. They can hold onto their skirt or hands onto their waist depending. So I'm going to hold onto my waist. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a nice knee bend and we're going to make sure that we've got a nice window in between our legs. So we're going to bend our knees. Is there a window? Yes, there is. Make sure they're not actually looking through the window because then they can have the wrong position for it. But just make sure that you can see the window. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. Let's do two more. Bend and stretch. And bend and stretch. And then shake everything out like a jellyfish. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we're going to do some walking on our toes. So we're going to take our prince or princess crown and we're going to pop them onto our heads, okay? And then you can hold onto your skirt or hands onto your waist, rise up onto our tippy toes. And we're just going to walk around the room on our tippy toes. Just make sure those toes are up the whole time. Make sure they don't come around and down at any point. Then we're going to do some running on our toes. So we're going to run on our toes, make sure our head is nice and tall, make sure nothing is going on there. Make sure you can travel as much as you can or as little as you can depending on what space you've got. Very good. And stand in tidy toes. Right, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some jumping with our feet together like a kangaroo. So make sure we've got our kangaroo paws and we're going to bend our knees and we're going to jump like a kangaroo. Are you ready? So we're going to go jump. Good, make sure you've got nice bendy knees. Jump. Good, you can do this around the room if you want to, doesn't matter, go wherever you like. Good, very nice, and then shake it all out. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to now practice balancing on one leg. So if you want to, you can hold on to mummy or daddy, or you can hold on to your child. If not, going to try and balance and put your hands on your waist or hold on to your skirt. We're going to point our toe towards the floor, and then we're going to lift our knee. Make sure we're sucking our tummy in towards our spines to make sure we don't fall over, and then put that leg down. And then we're going to balance on this other leg. Make sure your toes pointed to the floor and bring it back down. And then the other leg. Are you ready? We're going to balance on that one leg and then pop it back down. And then the other leg. Make sure you're not going to fall over and bring it back down. Good stuff. And then shake it all out. Very good, and stand in tidy toes. Okay, so now we're going to use that and we are going to try some hopping. So if you need to, again, hold on to each other or hands on our waist or our skirts, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to balance on that one leg, you're going to go hop and hop and hop. One more time, let's change legs, make sure you've got a good balance. Are you ready? Hop and hop and hop and hop. And then come back down and stand with tidy toes. Alright everybody, so what we're going to do is we are going to turn our hands into flowers. What we're going to do is we're going to have our flower shape right here. Show me your flower shape. That's great, amazing. Alright, what we're going to do is our flower is going to slowly close up and then it's going to blow away. The petals are going to blow away. Come back and blow away. Good, make sure the bottom of our hands come together and and then they ping away. Very nice. Keep going, and then our flowers can go wherever you like. They can go to the side. Very nice. They can go up towards the sky, or they can go down towards the floor. Very nice. Keep going. Make sure those hands are sticking together and then flying away. Let's do a couple more. And one more. And then I want you to show me your flower shape with your hands. Very nice. Okay, so the next one we're going to need is our imaginary pen, okay? You're going to draw an imaginary dot on the floor in front of you. We're going to stand in tidy toes, hands on your waist or on your skirt. It doesn't matter, I'm going to hold my skirt now. So what we're going to do is we're going to point your toe towards the dot and close your feet. Very nice. Point towards the dot and close your feet. Very nice. Point towards the dot. Very good. You can look at your dot if you want to, but make sure you're still standing nice and tall. Very nice. Let's do a couple more. Point and close. Lovely. Last one. Point and close. Tidy toes, and then shake it all out. Okay, so now we're going to do our squishy feet. We're going to squish our feet together. Make sure hands on our skirts or on our waist, and we're going to rise up onto our toes. And this time we're going to look over the wall, and we're going to see what we can see over the wall. So are you ready? Rise up on your toes, make sure you go all the way up, and then come back down. And then look over the wall, see what you can see, and come back down. If you want to use the other arm, you can. Look over the wall, and come back down. And then one last one. Look over the wall, and come back down. Shake it out. And what did you see over the wall? Okay, so now we're going to do some fun spinning. You can do whatever you like, but we're going to try and do one circle. So if you want to do it on your tippy toes, we could do one spin round and then tidy toes. Then we're going to go the other way. Ready? Spin round our toes and tidy toes. You can do whatever you like. Spin round on one leg if you want to, and tidy toes. Let's go the other way. Spin and tidy toes. Okay, so now we're going to do some galloping. So hold on to your partner. What we're going to do is we're going to come to the edge of the room and point our toes. We're going to gallop down the room with your partner until you get to the other end. When you get to the other end, you're going to point your toe and you're going to go back the other way. Good stuff. Point your toe and gallop, and then the other way. Good stuff. So obviously use your discretion with this. You can use, if you've got a big space, you can gallop all the way down. If you've got a little space, you can even go galloping round in a circle. It's totally up to you. So you can go round in a circle like this, and then point the other foot and go the other way. And then you're going to stand back to tidy toes. Okay, so now we're going to go on to one of my favourites, which is row, row, row your boat. Do you remember the rhyme? Shall we remind ourselves? It goes like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay, so you're going to need your partner in front of you, sitting with nice crossed legs, and you're going to be holding hands, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to row the boat as we sing. And as you row the boat, you're going to slowly pull your partner towards yourself, okay? So you're going to do it like this. No yanking, no pulling. We're just going to do it nice and gently because we're rowing, and that's nice and gentle. So you're going to ready? You're going to sing with me. Are you ready? We're going to go row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Very nice, everyone. Well done. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to point our foot to the side and we're going to do some swaying. So you can pretend you're holding a doll, or you could be just pretend you're swaying in the wind. So we're going to sway from side to side. Good, very nice. And we're going to try and make sure we've got a nice pointy toe on the end. Very good. So you can rock your doll if you want to, rock it from side to side, or your baby, doesn't matter what you've got. You can even have your teddy in your arms and rock your teddy to sleep. Rock and rock. Very nice. And then you're going to stand back to tidy toes and shake everything out. Alright guys, it's time to march like a soldier. Okay, so make it nice and strong. We can march around the room, make sure we've got nice high knees, and we're going to swing our arms backwards and forwards like this. So you can travel as much as you like, or as little as you like. You can do it on the spot like I'm doing. We're going to make sure we've got nice pointy toes. Good, keep going. Strong soldiers. Very nice. And make sure if you want to, I'm going to travel around the room now. So you can go around the room as much as you like. Very nice. Just make sure it's nice and strong and those knees are up and those toes are pointy. And then we're going to come back to tidy toes. Very good, everyone. And shake it all out. Alright guys, we're going to go on to some skipping now. Now I've got some magic words that you need to say when you do some skipping, okay? This is something that you can work towards. If we're struggling a little bit, you can work towards it, or if we're a little bit more advanced, then you can go ahead and skip to your heart's content. So the magic words are hop, step. Say it with me, ready? Hop, step. And if you want to, you can hold onto your partner just to get some balance. Hop, step, hop, step. And then when we've got that, then we can see if we can travel around the room and do it. So I'll do a little bit of both. I'm going to do some standing still and doing it a little bit slower, and then I'm going to show you how to do it around the room. Okay, so are you ready? We're going to do this. We're just going to go hop and step. Hop and step. You can either hold on to your partner, or you can hold on to your skirt or your waist. Very good. And if you're really finding that easy, then you can go around the room. Hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step. Very good. And if you can go all the way around the room if you want to. Hop, step. And you can go a little bit fast if you want to, if you're really clever. But obviously work towards what you need to do. Keep going. Very nice. So do whatever speed you need to do. And then we're going to come back to tidy toes. Very good, everybody. Right, okay, so you're going to need your partner for this one, okay, and you're going to hold their hands, and what we're going to do is I'm going to stand side on so you can see. We're going to stand in tidy toes, and what you're going to do is you're going to point your foot towards the back, and you're going to lift your leg. Try not to fall over, hold on to your partner for support, and then close your leg. And then point your foot at the back, and lift it, and come back down. Let's do that again. Try not to wobble. Hold on to your partner, lift your leg, and bring it back down. Point your foot, lift your leg. Good, let's do it 2 more times. Point your foot, lift, and come back down. Last time, ready? Point your foot, lift your leg, and come back down to tidy toes. Alright everybody, it's time to do our clapping, and today we're going to clap to 4, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to have your hands ready, and you're going to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Well, let's do it one last time. 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to shake our hands out. Very well done, everybody. Try and do that by yourself if you can, without your mummies and your daddies. Okay, so we're going to do some butterfly wings now, so you can stand in tidy toes if you want to. What we're going to do is we're going to bring our arms up towards the sky and then back down. Up towards the sky and back down. Ready? Up towards the sky. Reach as far as you can. Last time. Up towards the sky and back down, and then shake your arms out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that we are a tree, okay, and our body is the tree trunk, and what we're going to do is our arms are going to be the branches. Okay, and what's going to happen is the wind is going to start to blow, so I want you to try and wave from side to side, see what your arm's doing, and we're going to try and make sure the trunk of our tree stays still the whole time, and then the wind's going to get a bit stronger, and a bit stronger, a bit stronger, a bit stronger. Oh, it's getting really windy now. Oh my goodness. And then the wind's going to start to go away. So we're going to go a little bit slower. And then the wind's gone. And we're back to normal. Alright everybody, so what we're going to do is we're going to try and reach for our tippy toes, okay? The important thing is we're going to reach up towards the sky. And then we're going to very slowly go over and try to reach for your toes. If you want to try and point your toes to make life a little bit harder than you can, and try and reach for your toes, okay? Nice straight back. Then we're going to come back up. We're going to reach up towards the sky, and then we're going to go over to our toes. Reach as far as you can. Very nice. And then shake those legs. Make sure there's no tension in them. Very good, everyone. Alright everyone, thank you so much for dancing with me today. It's time to say goodbye, and when we say goodbye in dance, we do a curtsy or a bow. So I'm going to show you how to do a curtsy, and then I'm going to show you how to do a bow. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold onto our skirts or hands on our hips. We're going to point our toe to the side. We're going to step to the side. We're going to put our toes just behind us and then bend our knees in a lovely curtsy. Then we're going to do the other way. Step to the side, put your foot behind, and curtsy. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to do a bow. So this is how we're going to do a bow. We're going to put our feet together, we're going to step to the side and do a lovely bow. And then we're going to step to the other side, step to the side, present your arms and do a lovely bow. So do whatever one you want to do. I'm going to put on the music. Okay, ready? Step to the side, put your foot behind, curtsy, very nice. And then we're going to step to the other side, put your foot behind and curtsy, stand in tidy toes. It's time to do our bow. Are you ready? Arms out to the side and bow. Very nice. Step to the side, present your arms, arms to our side and bow. Very nice. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. I hope you had a great time. Please come back and do this again whenever you feel like having a little dance with your partner. And I will see you in our next video. Bye.